Today we're here to review a new item that we saw at, where did I get this? At 7-Eleven. And it's the Reese's Snack Cakes. And it's a chocolate cake with the Reese's peanut butter on top, and then it's covered in chocolate all the way around. I think there's two in here. Let me get it open. Reese's has been coming out with a lot of new items, and have some of them are like the they have ice cream with Reese's peanut butter, pieces in it. There's Jack in the Box has a pie with Reese's, and they have a peanut butter spread and a chocolate spread by Reese's. Ice cream cake, cupcakes that are kind of, small, 2 packs in one package. And I haven't seen that. We'll see it though. Pillsbury makes a Reese's cookie dough. They have Reese's Puff cereal, and then they make those like they're not really, well, granola bar type things with the Reese's Puff cereal. And there's a whipped topping and coffee creamer, and then the big cup with the pretzels. And then for Val's channel we did the Mallow-Top, so it's a regular Reese's with the, it's like a mallow cream top instead of the chocolate top. And then we did the Reese's Colliders layers, which was kind of like a pudding, which we found in the refrigerated section, which is kind of interesting. So check out his channel for those reviews. I'll probably link them to the bottom of this one too. So it kind of looks like a large, almost like a Kit Kat. I thought they were going to be like little squares. They also kind of, even though it says cakes, I thought they were going to be like brownies. But they're soft cake. And it, you can taste the Reese's peanut butter. You can taste the cake too. So it's kind of a nice, gives them a little more textures to go around. But yeah, if you like Reese's, you'll love these. This is good. I like it. Pretty big too. Let's see. This whole package is, the 2 bars are 1 serving. 380 calories, so it's kind of a lot of calories, but tastes good. Hot day is going to get on your hands though, too. It's not that warm today. Probably about 65, maybe 70 degrees today. And it is starting to melt on my fingers already. But yeah, if you like Reese's peanut butter cups, you'll probably love these. If you notice, I'm wearing my Reese's t-shirt today. I actually had it on during the review on Val's channel, but I think I was cut off here, so you couldn't even see the Reese's shirt. I actually got this shirt, I think, by Hershey. Reese's had a, not like a contest, it's more like a, you save the wrappers, so many wrappers, you send it in with, a certain amount of money, and then they give you a t-shirt. So that's how I got this t-shirt. But anyways, if you like Reese's, you'll probably love these. I like them. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.